Mahalo Nui. Well, here we are at the end of our Ori Tahiti. And little does he realize he's the star of our show. Aloha!
Aloha.
What is your name and where are you joining us from?
I'm Tommy and I'm from Aptos, California.
Aptos, California. And how about a great big hand for Tommy? Well, Tommy, as I just said, you are the star of our show, and I know they do coffee in Aptos, California. But our lovely Maluhia has chosen you to show you exactly how, well, she does coffee grinding Hawaiian Island style. But you're going to show us how you do it all the way there in Aptos, California. So everyone, can you join me in giving Tommy a great big hand as he dances the night away with our lovely Maluhia? Here we go, Tommy. The stage is all yours. Follow our lovely Maluhia, hands straight to the back of your head. There you go. They're a little shy there in Aptos, California, aren't they? But I think he can do it. When you got stripes matching any way you want, it works, okay? So Tommy is doing fantastic. Shake those hips, Tommy. Side, side. There you go. Fantastic. And I know that that's a camouflage outfit, you see. But shake those hips. There you go. Now follow our lovely Maluhia. You go this way, she goes that way. There you go. Shake those hips, Tommy. There you go. Fantastic. Cheer on Tommy. Yes! Woo-hoo! Yeah. Now stay right where you are, Tommy, because you're going to get all the girls joining you. Now, Mom and Dad, get those pictures. Yeah, Tommy, that's right. Fantastic. Yay. Yes, to Tommy, the star of our show this evening. Mahalo. You did a fantastic job. Mahalo, Tommy. Yes, you survived the Polynesian